we have this example, we have v square equals u square plus 2as. All right, so this equation is one of the equations for finding motion under gravity, motion that's not in gravity. All right, so this is one of the equations of motion. Okay, now in this question, it has to make u the subject formula. So as usual, we are trying to make u to stay alone at one side of the equation. To do that, this 2as will cross over the equality sign and it will change to minus 2as. So when you do that, you're going to have b square minus 2as equals u square. Now, to make u the subject formula, you have to square both sides. So it is recommended you use plus or minus here, because the value output will be either plus or negative, of which we always take the positive value. So this square cancel the square root here. So at last our u will be plus or minus square root of v square minus 2as. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that, guys. Now let's look at this one. This one is not straightforward, but it's very simple. We're going to solve it together. Let's say we have 2 in bracket m plus 3 equals square root of n minus 5. Okay, and we're asked to make n the subject formula. To begin with, we need to remove this square root at this right side of the equation. Okay, so to do this, you need to square both sides so that the square cancels the square root. So when you square both sides, now this is what we basically do. Okay, when you square both sides, so this square cancels the square roots. Now you are now left with, now this square outside here, the left side of the equation, you take it inside and the values inside these brackets will take the square. So this is basically what I mean. This is going to give us 2 square m plus 3 square equals n minus 5. Note that this square here outside this m plus 3 inside this bracket, if you do something like this, m square plus 3 square, by the time you remove this square here and put everything inside the bracket, it's very, very wrong. So this is mathematically wrong. Now, when you have a plus sign now inside the bracket, don't distribute the power inside the bracket to each respective values there. It's only when there is no a plus negative sign, that's when you will be allowed, or when it's allowed to distribute the powers equally. Alright, but when there is plus sign, don't do like that, you fail it. Okay, so basically what this thing means is this m plus 3 bracket close square means is m plus 3 and m plus 3. Right, so you just multiply m plus 3 2 times. So when you simplify this, you're going to have m square, okay, plus 3m plus 3m plus 9. Or let me show you so that you'll not be confused of what I did here. Okay, so this will be this first bracket multiply everything here. Basically what I did was m brackets m plus 3 now plus 3 times m plus 3. So when you break this down, it's going to give us m square plus 3m plus 3m plus 9. Now collect like that, we're going to have m square plus 6m plus 9. Now remember that we have these 2 square here, we have not simplified. Alright, so when you add the 2 square here, and 2 square is something as 4. So 4 multiply everything in this bracket. So when you do that, you're going to have 4m square plus 6 times 4 give us 24m plus, now 9 times 4 give us 36. We have plus 36. Now equals, remember we have our n minus 5 here, n minus 5, and we want to make n the subject formula. Okay, so let me wipe some parts of this. Okay, now when you keep simplifying, your final result to make n the subject formula, this 5 here will cross over the equality sign, this negative 5, and it will change to plus 5. Okay, so when it changes to plus 5, you're going to have everything will now be 4 m square plus 24m plus 36 now plus 5 equals n. Our final result n will be 4m square plus 24m. Now 36 plus 5 will give us 41. That's plus 41. And that will be the answer or the final result to this question. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys.